Walter Okafor, a 51-year-old, was on Thursday arraigned before an Ikeja Magistrates court for allegedly conspiring to forge the packaging of a company's product without authorization. Okafor, whose address was not disclosed, is facing a 2-count charge of conspiracy and forgery. He pleaded not guilty to the charges. The prosecutor, Supol Josephine Iheyere, told the court that the alleged offense occurred in December of 2023 at Idumota area of Lagos. She alleged that Okafor and others still at large illegally duplicated and forged small and large-sized packages of Kiss condoms, a product owned by TK2 International Nigeria Limited, without the company's consent. Ihekari said the action contravenes Section 363 of the Lagos State Criminal Law, which prescribes up to 3 years imprisonment for anyone found guilty of forgery. Presiding Magistrate Lateef A. Owolabi granted the defendant bail in the sum of 500,000 naira with 2 reliable sureties in like sum. He adjourned the matter to July 1st, 2025 for mention. Now, the use of condom, for starters, let's begin from the use of condom. A condom is used during coitus, right? For several reasons. Of course, is a means of protection, but sexually transmitted infection, trying to protect against unwanted pregnancies. You know, it's an important tool, as it were, for coitus. But here we are, someone is duplicating and reproducing without authorization, probably substandard, in a country where, you know, we are constantly battling with the spread of the HIV virus, and someone chooses to do it, chooses to do this, not minding the amount of people that will be affected. What are your thoughts on this report?
You see, the implication of what he has done is both an economic sabotage,
right,
and a humanitarian issue.
Economic
in the sense that this is somebody's business.
Right.
You're going to, forge a pack and put something that is not their product there, but sell it as their product. People will buy it and use it. Now, the company would be losing money because other products in their name would be in the market. People who wanted to buy Kiss would see this and buy it, not knowing that it is not Kiss. So at the end of the day, Kiss product may have sold 30,000. Meanwhile, the real Kiss item that emanated from Kiss, which the money went to them, maybe like 15,000. So it's an economic issue there. And people like this who do this type of thing may also not be paying tax to the government, because this may be an unknown business.
Right.
So government is also losing money there. And people would use this item. Maybe for those who have used it before, who has used the original before, they have an expectation how the original works, and they get this other item believing that it is the same product and use it, it doesn't work.
And it tears during coitus, for example.
Something like that here. And then they come up with, let me use the Nigerian language now. Then don't they do fake now? And they allege it to the company that the company is producing substandard. Probably some persons will start moving away from that product to another product, which is another loss for the company. You see how the company is losing sales, losing customers, losing trust, losing public view. Now that's about the economic side of it for the company and for the company. Now to the humanitarian side of it, these products are specifically unique products, like you stated in your how do I put it now? Your intro. They are supposed to serve, apart from the pleasure side of it that the end user should derive. It probably give a level of pleasure which even the producers intended. Now we don't know the quality of this other item introduced in this pack, because it probably or most likely have not been subjected to the required test, which the main product would have been subjected to, got NAFDAC approval. Yes, NAFDAC, I guess, are the ones that approve them. Maybe standard organization, have those approval. Now, you are introducing something that is probably poorly produced, maybe unhygienically produced and packed there. The end users will not derive the pleasure that would have come from the original. Then beyond the pleasure, also, like again, let me come back to your introduction. It's meant to give some form of protection. Now, the guy, whoever is going to use it, will pick up that product, having faith in the product, in its ability to give him some protection. But that would not be the case now, because this is not the approved, the one that has been subjected to test to show that it can give this protection. So that guy will use it, depending on who he's using it with. Probably his chances or her chances, because it's a two-way thing, of contracting disease would be increased. Already, we have a situation where it is said that, talking of HIV, that Nigeria has one of the highest prevalent cases of HIV in the world. Now, HIV is just one of the many sicknesses you can get from, unprotected cells. So this person now, we think he's protected. Meanwhile, he's not protected. You can imagine putting on a transparent cloth, as it were. You think you're clothed, yet you are all naked. That's what this is going to do to the owner. So that's why I said it's also a humanitarian issue, both for the person who wants to get himself protected against viral diseases and the person who even wants to protect against pregnancy. It may even lead to issues. Let's use pregnancy, for example. It may even lead to issues of, but I used this thing, so how did you get pregnant? But you are the one that, but it may lead to a kind of conflict between couples who thought that they have done everything they should do to get protected, not knowing that they have been shortchanged. So I think the justice should be made to take its full weight against perpetrators of this type of crime.